Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get more sales on OfferUp. So the way to get more sales on OfferUp is, aside from just lowballing, which is like everyone's go-to, what you want to make sure you do is have an optimized title, take as many good photos as you can, and then lastly, you want to use a comparison feature. So starting off with the optimized title, in your title, let's say pretend, for example, you're selling a camera. What you don't want to do is just put the word camera in your title. You want to mention a lot of keywords within your title. If we take the example camera, what other keywords can we include in the description or in the title of our listing? You can include the word Sony, mirrorless, digital, Canon. A lot of different keywords can be included and related to the product that you're selling. So optimize the title. The next way to get more sales on OfferUp is to utilize your product photos. So I'm not saying you have to buy a light box or you have to buy a fancy camera, but what you can do though is use your natural window light and actually take photos of your product when it's daylight. Natural window light is some of the best lighting that you can get when it comes to taking photos of your product. You want to utilize all the different angles and photos that OfferUp gives you that allows you to show what your product looks like to potential buyers. Now, the third way to actually get more sales on OfferUp is to use a price comparison feature. What I mean by this is, whatever the price you're selling your product for, let's say that it's $1,000 on Amazon and you price it for $200 on OfferUp, mention that in the description of your OfferUp listing. This is going to get you more sales. You can mention like, this is normally priced at $1,000 on Amazon, but here on OfferUp, I'm selling it for $200. Or maybe you want to mention this is normally priced at $1,000 on Amazon, but this is 20% of the price that you're paying here on OfferUp. So that price comparison feature is something I always put in my OfferUp listings, and it really helps get people to actually purchase my products. And today I've made over 800 sales on OfferUp. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.